Welcome back to Bible Quiz Star.
Paul didn't want the Corinthians to be uninformed about what spiritual matters. A. Spiritual gifts. B. Spiritual leaders. C. Spiritual warfare. Or D. Spiritual wisdom. The correct answer is A. Spiritual gifts.
By engaging with this content, you're helping others find their path to God's wisdom. Your like and subscription make a difference.
The manifestation of the Spirit is given to each person for the common good. Is this fact true? The answer is true. Through the Spirit, one person receives wisdom while another receives what? A. Faith. B. Healing. C. Knowledge. Or D. Prophecy. The correct answer is C. Knowledge. All the different spiritual gifts are distributed by the same Spirit according to His will. Would you say this is true? The answer is true. Paul compares the church to what physical entity with many parts? A. A body. B. A building. C. A family. Or D. A nation. The correct answer is A. A body. By one Spirit, believers are baptized into one body regardless of their social background. Does this seem true to you? The answer is true. When describing the body of Christ, Paul says the body is not made up of just what? A. One function. B. One gift. C. One part. Or D. One person. The correct answer is C. One part. If the foot says it doesn't belong to the body because it's not a hand, it still remains part of the body. Does this hold true? The answer is true. What would happen if the whole body were just an eye? A. No feeling. B. No hearing. C. No movement. Or D. No thinking. The correct answer is B. No hearing.
By engaging with this content, you're helping others find their path to God's wisdom. Your like and subscription make a difference.
God has arranged each part of the body according to His design. Does this seem accurate? The answer is true. The eye cannot say to the hand that it has no need of it. Is this fact true? The answer is true. Which parts of the body does Paul say are actually indispensable? A. The larger parts. B. The stronger parts. C. The visible parts. Or D. The weaker parts. The correct answer is D. The weaker parts. The less honorable parts of the body are treated with special modesty. Would you say this is true? The answer is true. God composed the body giving greater honor to what kind of parts? A. The active parts. B. The lacking parts. C. The prominent parts. Or D. The visible parts. The correct answer is B. The lacking parts. God designed the body so there would be no division but equal concern for each other. Is this fact true? The answer is true. When one part of the body suffers, what happens to all the other parts? A. They adapt. B. They compensate. C. They strengthen. Or D. They suffer. The correct answer is D. They suffer. If one part of the body is honored, what happens to all the other parts? A. They benefit. B. They celebrate. C. They grow. Or D. They rejoice. The correct answer is D. They rejoice. Together, believers form the body of Christ, and each one is a part of it. Would you agree this is true? The answer is true. In the church, God has appointed first apostles, second prophets, and third what? A. Healers. B. Helpers. C. Leaders. Or D. Teachers. The correct answer is D. Teachers. Paul encourages believers to eagerly desire what kind of gifts? A. Greater gifts. B. Powerful gifts. C. Unusual gifts. Or D. Visible gifts. The correct answer is A. Greater gifts.